Hello class, my name is Georgia and I'll be your teacher today. Katya, please go ahead, introduce yourself and tell us where you are from.
Hello, my name is Kátia. I'm from Juiz de Fora, Brazil.
Hello Katya, nice to meet you. Lilia, please introduce yourself and tell us where you are from. Very much Lilia, nice to meet you. Just try to make sure your audio is working well because it was a bit difficult to hear you. Now Lisa, can you please introduce yourself and tell us where you are from?
Okay, thank you, teacher. Hi, everybody. My name is Liz, and I am married, and I like to watch movies and to read. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lisa. Nice to meet you. And last, Sahar, please introduce yourself and tell us where you are from. Sahar, it's nice to meet you. Okay, class. Everyone's audio seems to be working, and I think everyone is here, so today's lesson can be started. Sharing gossip is what we're talking about today. Now, Katya, what do you like to chat about with your friends? What do you like to talk about when you're spending time with your friends?
I like it to chat with my friends about the time about the politics and science, and I like it to chat with my friends different asuntos. Excuse me. I like it to chat with my friends about travel and vacations and good books.
Thank you. Just remember this is a cha. It's not shat, it's chat. It's like a ch sound.
Chat.
Okay? I like
Chat.
to chat with my friends about traveling, vacations, and good books. Thank you. Hey, remember to switch your microphone off, please, Katja. Katja, please switch your microphone off. Thank you. Lilia, what do you like to chat about with your friends? Okay, thank you, Lilia. Now, Lisa, what do you like to chat about with your friends?
Okay, thank you, teacher. Um, I like to chat with my friends, the politics and the vacation, about sometimes about my work and about some people. Thank you.
Okay, I forgot to correct you, Katya. The first sentence you said, I like to talk to my friends about politics. Not politic, politics. That's the same for you, Lisa. Politics. Now, Sahar, what do you like to chat about with your friends? Thank you, Sahar. Now, Ekaterina, please introduce yourself to the class. Tell us where you are from and then also answer this question. Thank you. Ekaterina, are you there? Okay. We're going to have to continue. Katerina, I cannot cannot hear you. If you are having a problem, let me know. Now, do you know these words? We have celebrity, politician. Okay, politician, that is someone who works in politics. Okay, who deals with politics, like the president. We have love life, that is something a lot of people like to gossip about, other people's love lives. And salary, how much people get paid. Now, put these words into groups. Some of them would be topics and some people. Can someone please raise their hand if they can put all these words into groups? I want you to put all these words into groups. Please raise your hand if you can do it. Thank you, Sahar. Please go ahead. Okay, let's check Sahar. Okay, celebrity, politician, people, love life, and salary would be topics. So these are not very specific. They're general topics. Okay, love life and salary, that would be, we're not talking about anyone. People will talk about love life in general, and they'll talk about salaries. And when you say celebrity and a politician, you see they're singular. They're talking about one. Then we would be talking about certain people. Okay? Now, please tell the class, what does the media say about celebrities in your country? Okay, what do they say about all those famous people in your country? Sahar, please go ahead and answer this question for us. Okay, they say bad things about them. Thank you. Now, Lisa, what does the media say about celebrities in your country?
Okay. The media say about the celebrity, about the actor and their life, the life of actor, and sometimes the media give us the bad news. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lisa. Now, Lilia, what does the media say about celebrities in your country? Lilia, I need you to please say that again. It was a bit difficult for me to hear you.
They say about their life, good or bad life. They say about the famous actors, famous artists, famous teachers. So that is all.
Okay, I asked what do they say about celebrities. You told me who they talk about. You're saying they talk about all those people, but I'm asking you, what do they say? Sahar told us that they say bad things. They're not very nice to celebrities. So tell me, what does the media say about celebrities? Not what celebrities do they talk about, or what celebrities are in the newspaper or on TV. What do they say about the celebrities? They talk about the celebrities' problems and their lives. I'm not sure what you meant by the good lives. I'm not sure how to say that, but what you want to say is, what does the media say about celebrities in your country? We'll say, in my country, the media talks about, or the media says, I think the best thing to say is the media talks about celebrities' lives, they talk about their problems and things like that. What does the media say about celebrities in your country, Katja?
Every day, the media talks about politicians' work in the Congress and problems with actor and actress in my country, in all the world, and notices with sports, arts, and different subjects.
Okay, so Katja, just remember, when you're speaking, to pronounce all the parts of your words. Okay, the media likes to talk about celebrities in my country and all over the world. Okay, always try to pronounce all the parts of your words. Before I get to you, Sahar and Lisa, we have another student in the class. Tatiana, can you please introduce yourself to the class and tell us where you are from? Tatiana, are you there? Okay. Tatiana, if you are having a problem with your audio, please let me know. Sahar, what did you want to say? Yes, celebrities sometimes do interviews and let people know about their private lives and their future projects. Very good. Lisa, what did you want to say?
Thank you, teacher. The media talk about the death of Whitney Houston and about good news. They talk about the birth baby actor. Thank you.
Sorry, Lisa, what was that last thing you just said? What baby? I didn't quite understand what you said. Can you say that again, please?
I'm talking about the baby's actor, the birth of baby's actor.
Oh, no, you want to say the good news? Okay, the bad news was they're talking about Whitney Houston's death, but the good news is they are talking about the birth of an actor's baby. Okay, it will be the birth of the actor's baby.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Thank you, teacher.
Lisa, what actor are you? Which actor's baby was born? Which actor are you talking about?
I forgot her name, but it's the wife of. I forgot his name too. But
Do you know what work she does? What kind of work does she do? Is she an actor or a singer?
No, singer. A singer.
You're talking about Beyonce.
Beyonce, yes, yes, that is his name.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
You can say. Yes, they're definitely talking about her because they just released photographs talking about the birth of Beyonce's baby. Okay, so there's sometimes some negative things and some positive things. Okay, good. Now, okay, everyone has answered. Now, people gossip about things that should be private. Okay, so and sometimes celebrities do actually talk about their own private business. But sometimes we, normal people, not celebrities, we like to gossip about other people's private things. They can be true or not. Sometimes we're not sure if it's a fact or if it is just a made-up story. Now, do you gossip with friends about these things? Katya, do you think you gossip about other people's private business?
Teacher, I don't like gossip with friends or other people. I prefer talk about different subjects. No, never gossip.
Really, Katya, you never gossip. Okay, because none of my students, none of the students who have done this lesson are willing to admit that they have gossiped. I will be honest, I do sometimes gossip, not too often, and I think a lot people do it all the time, and people always say that women gossip more. I think sometimes men gossip more than women. Lilia, do you think you gossip about other people's private things with your friends? Thank you, Lilia. Lilia, please be careful with your microphone because every time you switch it on and switch it off, it makes a really loud sound in my headphones. So please just work with it a bit more carefully. Lisa, do you think that you gossip with friends about other people's private business?
Thank you, teacher. Sometimes I am gossip with my with coworker, but it's not about the business. Thank you.
Thank you, Lisa. That's very funny. Sometimes you gossip with co-workers, but not about work. That's what you would say here. Sometimes I gossip. Sometimes I gossip. I gossip with co-workers, but not about work. Very good. Sahar, do you think you gossip with friends about these things? There's actually where I stay, Sahar, we have a really big Muslim community, um, and some of them they're not Muslim from the Middle East. Some of them are, but most of them are Muslim from Malaysia. They were brought over with the slaves very long time ago, and from all over, and they like to gossip. And the community that they belong to on the whole, the other, not just the Malay Muslims, but all the people in Cape Town that are descendants of Malaysia and other mixed heritage, they all like to gossip, and that's exactly the same group of people that I am from as well. So they're always gossiping about someone, always gossiping. Okay, what we need to do now, class, before I get carried away about gossip, is have a look at these words: neighbors, friends, co-workers, politicians, salaries, love life, family members, and celebrities. Now, these are sometimes the people we gossip with, and sometimes the people we gossip about. Okay, what I want to do now is I want you to choose some of these words and make a sentence for me about gossip. You don't have to say that you do it or anything. You can just take any of the words and make a good sentence about gossip. For example, my neighbors are always gossiping about celebrities. Okay? So that's just an example. So I think, Sahar, you can go first. Have a look at the words, choose the words you want, and give us a sentence, please. I want you to look at these words that we have here. I want you to choose some of the words and make a sentence about gossiping. For example, I said, my neighbors are always gossiping about celebrities. That's just an example. So can you choose some words and make a sentence for us, please, Sahar? Okay, so Sahar, when we use the words love life, and you want to put it in a sentence, you might have to change it, because you can't just say they gossip about love life. You can say they gossip about their love lives, as in your family members will talk about their own love lives, or you can say sometimes my family members gossip about the love lives of other people, or you could say celebrities, things like that. Okay, you wouldn't just use love life like that unless you said something like, I am happy with my love life, for example. Okay, Lisa, your turn. Please have a look at the words. Choose some words and make a sentence for us, please.
Okay. My cousins like always to gossip about the politicians. Thank you.
Okay, Lisa. Remember, it's my cousins always like to. That is the order of the words there. My cousins always like to gossip about politicians. So you wouldn't say about the politicians. When you say the, you're talking about um, one thing. Okay? So my cousins always like to gossip about politicians. Lilia, your turn.
Co-workers always like to gossip about salaries, and my friends always like to gossip about the lovely lives.
Okay, the love life and salaries would work the same. You can say they always like to gossip about the salaries of the other people in the company. You can't just say they want to gossip about salaries, because it's fine, it's not wrong, but it doesn't give it any context. You need to be more specific. Okay, so you would say my coworkers always like to gossip about the salaries of other people in the company. Makes your sentence a bit more interesting than just saying they gossip about salaries. Okay, and then you said my friends always like to gossip about their love lives. That was cool, because you said they're talking about their own love lives. Okay, Sahar, I will come to you now. Let's just give Katya a chance first. Katya, please make your sentence.
Vamos lá. Co- co-workers. My co-workers don't have time to speak in the office.
Okay, the sentence is fine, but it's not really about gossip, though, is it? You're just saying my coworkers don't have time to speak in the office. Do you maybe want to do another sentence um, about gossip? Katya, would you like to try again?
Mm, my the family members gossip about the lost life celebrate and politicians work. Excuse me, politicians work.
Okay. Did you say my family members gossip about? Did you say celebrities' love lives and um, the work done by politicians? Hey, not really politicians' work. You can rather say the work done. Sahar, you raised your hand. Did you want to say something? Absolutely, go ahead. Okay, thank you very, very much, Sahar. Okay, class, so you can see from the answers that we got, that we all need to work on our sentence structure and also grammar. Okay, but sentence structure, more importantly, making sure that we get our words in the right order. Okay, so I want you all to read more English books, so that you can get used to how the sentences are structured. Okay, now we're going to do the talking exercise. So you and your co-workers tell each other some office gossip. So I know some of you said you don't like to gossip, but now we need to just pretend. Okay, so student A, you will tell student B about some gossip you heard. Use they say. Okay, remember, you can say they say that blah 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 blah. They said that blah 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 blah. Then student B, you will add to what student A said. So if student A says, for example, they say that our boss is in love with his secretary. They say he's going to divorce his wife. Okay? That is some very common gossip over there. So I want everyone to take part in this exercise. So will have to do it twice. But remember, for future classes, you must know that you have seen that the slides have changed. So in almost every class you will get an exercise like this, where you and another student will talk to one another about the topic. So that is why it's best, when you begin the class, you pay close attention to the vocabulary and the new phrases that you learn. Even if you write them down now while we're busy doing the lesson, okay? Because you can use them in the exercise that you do now. And also try to at least speak 3 times, at least which means that student A speaks, student A responds, student A speaks again, then student B, student A, and then student B. The point of this exercise is that you get to talk as much as you can. You don't have to speak for a long time, but at least try to speak, have a proper conversation where someone says something and someone responds. Okay? And remember that for all your classes that you go to in the future. Okay, so Katja and Lilia, I'd like you to do the exercise first. Katja, you will be student A. Tell Lilia about some gossip you've heard. And Lilia, you will respond to Katja. Please begin, Katja.
They say that new boss will arrive next month in the factory.
Okay, Katja, you need to repeat that, but a bit louder, please.
They say that new boss that will arrive next month in the factory.
Okay, I'll write that down for you. They say that our new boss will arrive at the factory next month. Go ahead, Lilia.
They say that new boss is good people, but he is a workaholic.
Okay, they say that he is a good person, but he is a workaholic. Go ahead, Lilia. Lilia, I didn't hear what you said. They say he's a bad person?
They say that he is a bad person and he is uncarefully person.
You said uncarefully. That's not a word, Lilia. You'll say that he's a bad. They say that he is a bad person and he is uncaring. When you're uncaring, it means you don't care about anyone. Is that what you want to say?
Yes. Thank you.
Uncaring is the word. Now we have like 1 minute left. So Lisa and Sahar, please go ahead and do the exercise for us. Sahar, you'll be student A, and Lisa, you'll be student A. Sahar, you'll be student B. So begin, Lisa.
They said that our coworker has lost his job.
Sorry, Lisa. I thought you weren't. You thought you were finished. Please say that again. Sorry, Lisa. You need to start again. I didn't hear that second part you said.
Okay, but I don't know why he lost his job. Do you know about something?
Yes, she said she does not know why he lost his job. She wants to know if you know something. Thank you, Sahar and Lisa. So when you say he doesn't know about his job, you can say he does not know how to do his job. Okay? Okay, very good work, everyone. We have come to the end of the lesson. We've actually gone over time a little bit, but I hope that you enjoyed it. It was interesting talking about gossip. Just remember to check your gradings. I'll give you some advice on what you can do to improve. But thank you very much, Katja, Lilia, Lisa, and Sahar. Goodbye.
Thank you, teacher, and goodbye, everybody.